Hey guys, I've been learning some stuff about the HubSpot Deputy process, and I wanted to share a quick example that I thought worked particularly smoothly. Pete had sent me an email to make sure this was on Deputy. I clicked on who it was from, which when you're going through your emails and you have the Deputy thing, you can always see over here. It shows that it's on the stage on Deputy, which is great. I know that it's on the calendar. But I also don't know, but I don't quite yet know if all of this new load-in information is there. So I went through this load-in information. I realized there was some stuff in here, which was including our booth number, where that was set up, and then some load-in times. I added, for example, I wanted to add to Deputy that they had complimentary breakfast until 9:30. So you click on this, it opens up. If you hold Shift or Command, if you have an Apple, it's going to open up the new thing. Then you're going to want to look at the Deputy link once it loads. There's a couple ways you can do that. You can go down here to View All Properties, but the fastest way I find is to re-put it in the same stage that it's already in. So you'll see it's right there. Open a new tab. Look at what's going on in Deputy and see if all the new information is there. This is for Riverfest, so I know that it's on Saturday and Sunday because the title of the event says 2 days. Once it loads in Deputy, I just want to make sure that the information from this newsletter is appropriately on here, so our ops leads know, and you know, and everyone has their information in the same place. So here I'm just going to look for Riverfest, open it up. I actually already added the information, but you can see Riverfest 2018 bidder setup, complimentary breakfast, where it is, the number, the booth number. This was all stuff that I added once I got that final information. So I just thought that'd be good to share. I'll keep sending updates and quick things, but let me know if this is helpful or not. Thanks.